So I've got here a Netgear cable modem that doesn't turn on. Normally I don't repair these things because they're property of Telstra and they replace it under warranty, and you can't buy them externally, otherwise you get it off eBay or Gumtree secondhand, but you can't buy in a retail shop. This one does not turn on, so there was a lightning strike of some sort and it stopped working. So let's see if we can repair it. I'll do a quick video on it. We'll open it up and have a look on the inside. Okay, so the first thing I always want to check is see if there is any voltage coming out of the power adapter, which is simple to do. Put it in a voltage mode, connect your power adapter into the port, and the red goes on the inside and the black on the outside, and we can see there is no voltage. So obviously most likely power adapter faulty. Just double check again. Nothing coming in. And this is supposed to be a 12 volt 1A. Let's see if we provide our own power adapter, if it will turn on. 12 volts. And it's not taking anything in. So I'll show you on the meter. I've got 12 volt coming into this. .1, reduce it a little bit more, 12, yet nothing happening on the modem end, no LED lights, maybe the adapter is loose. Try this one. So whatever happened really did destroy this unit. So two problems. The AC adapter is faulty, it's been burnt, and something in here is burned. Let's have a look, see if we can fix it. Assuming screwdrivers here, yep, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. They use a proprietary connection there, which is not a problem. So it uses a Torx T9 screwdriver. Can't smell anything burning. It could be that simply a fuse is burnt. I can already see the damage. Cool. I'll set up the microscope and we can have a look at it there together. We can see the extent of the damage. I don't know what they are, resistor or capacitor. We'll try and get a bigger overview look. I'll zoom out a bit more. There we go. So that's the charging port. Coaxial cable coming in. It's like a tuner in there which tunes in the frequency. You can see these guys are okay. Let's take out our multimeter just to verify that some of the components are what we think they are. So the one on the right there looks like a 0 ohms resistor. So I've got it in continuous mode on the multimeter. And see if we can see if there's a short. There is no short, so that's good. And the other one next to it looks like a capacitor. And I'll put my multimeter in diode mode and positive on the ground. Zero point zero five nine, 0.059. Yeah, I'm getting different values in both, so that means it's good. And if I put it in continuous mode, it shouldn't be shorted. Yep. There we go, no short. No short. Okay, that could be a resistor. Okay, let's have a look further about these guys. They look like capacitors. These are definitely capacitors, and they're not shorted. Okay, then those ones are resistors. Okay, they're not capacitors. Yeah, they are resistors. Okay, let's continue. It all looks good here. Looks good. No burns here. Vin bond. Okay. So this is the area we're gonna work on. What are they? I think they look like resistors. So I've got the multimeter in continuous mode. You can also see the burn here, the amount of explosion that went off here. That one looks like a diode. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, resistors have blown off. There must be resistors. Let's check. See if there's any continuity. Nope. 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 So that's not shorted, that's good. What are these guys? That looks like a capacitor. Capacitor. Alright, so this one looks like a capacitor. Oh, sorry, a resistor. Yep. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright, so why don't we take these guys out? And I'm assuming, by the looks of it, they are... I should be able to find similar ones. So they look like... What does it look like? Trying to find a similar one around the motherboard that we can maybe pull from somewhere else. Let's clean them up, see if we can see clearly what they look like. Alcohol. Ah, here we go. So that's got a 0 on it. Ah, okay, they are most likely all 0 ohms. Yeah, here we go. It's much clearer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's find 4 of them from somewhere. And let's take them all out. So the way we're going to take it out, we're going to use a hot air gun. Tweezers, hot air gun. Okay, so because we use alcohol, we need to apply some flex and a small tip of a hot air gun. So I've got the hot air gun with a small nozzle tip, and I use about 400, 450 heat, maximum fan. Here we go. Should be a quick process. One sec. Hello, Sir Ken speaking.
Yeah, hi. My iPad died last night, and I was just wondering, can anything be done with them? It just went blank.
Yeah, look, depends on what the issue is. Most of the time we can do something about it. If we can bring it in, we can have a look at it and let you know.
Right.
Then, yeah.
Yeah, well, you will let me know, because I don't want to get it fixed if it
Exactly, I
won't
understand.
work, or
Exactly.
it's going to be dearer than a new one.
Exactly, yeah. So without saying it, we can't say anything. Once we look at it, we can give you a quotation, and then you can say, yeah, it's
Cool.
worth it or not. Sometimes it's not, but best to have a look first. Yeah.
I've had it 9 years.
Oh,
But
9 years. Okay. So you probably have one of the older generations. Yeah. Look, if it's something easy and cheap to fix, then yes. But if it's not, then no. But otherwise, if you got important photos or documents you want recovered.
No, I'm not the iPad, I meant my Kindle.
Oh, you meant your Kindle?
Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
in
sorry.
that case, Kindle, then they're quite cheap. I don't recommend repairing them.
Oh, okay, then
Yeah,
that's all right.
yeah. If it's an iPad,
they
yes.
are pretty cheap.
Correct, correct. And if it's 9 years old, it's quite. They got new versions out by now as well. So.
Yes, they would do.
Mm.
All right then.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you very much
Not a
for your
worry.
help.
You're welcome. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye.
All right. A lady wants to repair a Kindle. Is it worth it? In my opinion, no. Especially 9 years old. Anyway, let's get these guys out of the way. They are sizzling. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down. Right. Let's clean this area a little bit. apply a bit of solder, and then apply a bit of solder, and then use wick to clean it up, and apply solder again, and then put the replacement resistors. Okay, heat it up a bit more, 300. Okay, so we can see the pads clearly now. It's like we did put a lot of scratches. Not important right now. Okay, put some flux. And apply solder. Okay, that's one. Right, now we need some resistors. Where do we get them from? Obviously from old motherboards, unless you got some spare ones. A old motherboard. Just going to scavenge parts of this one. I can see some resistors lying around, and they're looking for a new home. So this is one. Two. Number 3, where are you? 3. We need one more. Who is the next volunteer? There's some around here somewhere. Here we go. Okay, now let's put these guys on the replacement board. Should be a simple process. I'll rotate the camera. Okay, so what do we got there? Okay, let's put contestant number 1. Okay, so that's a good one. Good one. Yeah, just double check that is a good one. Here's our multimeter. It should make a beep sound. Yep, that's the bad one. Off you go. Okay, and just check the other ones. Nothing, so I'm not going to risk using that one. That's good. That's good. So these 3 are good. We need one more. It's good we check before we put it back on the motherboard. I'll find another one from our donation department. Here we go. Okay, that's another one there. Yeah, so we got 4 good ones. Now let's put them one by one onto the replacement board. Put them all on one side. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go from first to last. Just check there is a connection. Okay, I'm getting a connection there. Let's go number 2. They are a bit smaller than the original ones. There we go. Let's check how that one is going with the multimeter again. Yep, that's good. Contestant number 3. Yep, and let's do number 4. Okay, not the best shape. Let's check how it goes. Yep. Okay. Let it cool down a bit. And we'll plug in our adapter and see what happens. And oh, we're getting all the LED lights now. That's good. And they should start flicking. Oh, here we go. It's working. It didn't do that before. It's taking 0.49 amps. Looks like it's fixed. Cool. Yeah, so these lights here, that's the downlink or the uplink. So these two are downlink and uplink, and that's for the van if it's connected to the internet. Yeah, there we go. So the last one comes on when you connect the network cable. The top light is when it's connected to the cable network or NBN network. Now if I plug in a cable here, we should see the first light come on. I'll plug in a cable now. Yep, see? Blue. If you can't see that, turn the flashlight off. There we go. Yeah. So that's good. This is fixed.